This is a 2006 Toyota Landcruiser, and it came in just a leather wheel with all the leather, of course, worn out. But the customer wanted to add wood grain to it and put new leather on it, so that's what we did. He sent in this ashtray as his sample, and then we matched to that with the new wood grain, new leather. Absolutely looks amazing. Went with a kind of a textured leather on it. Just take a look at that wood grain. Just so nice. So listen, we are here in Dallas, Texas at craftcustoms.com. We work on every make and model of steering wheel. We do not only these wood and leather steering wheels, we do just leather steering wheels, we do wood and leather, we do carbon fiber and leather, and we also do restoration steering wheels, the old classics. So anything you need, reach out to us here at craftcustoms.com. Follow us on our social channels and tell people about us. We look forward to working with you, and as always, you're going to love what you get. We guarantee it.